Whoa, welcome to the channel, guys. We are back with another review. Today we are going to be reviewing the Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator. I'm not gonna lie, this thing has helped me out way more times than I want to admit it. It is sweet. I think the price point was great for it. You were able to get it at Home Depot. It's all M12 batteries. Has all these attachments to it. Got your little tire slash ball inflator. We have a little itty screw guy, and you have your little like inflatable thing. But this guy I usually use for tires. So I'll show you some things. Okay, super easy to load up a battery. And super easy to use. It's boom, turn on. You're gonna set your PSI. And with this, we're going to my big tire. We're going all the way to 30. Boom, unravel it. Good. And then I like to just kind of like top it up. Super easy to use. Boom. I'll show you what the PSI in the tire is. So we got 24. Boom. We're good. And we're good. So this thing is super useful. Filling my regular tires up, everything. So good. I usually maintain my club kick tires. For some reason, I have just like a leak on this guy. And like, it does not like me. So the same thing, it's just easy peasy. Easy peasy to use. So it's at 8. I don't want to set it to 30 because I'll blow it. We want to go to 10. Let's go 11 to be safe. There we go. Easy as that. Such a good little machine to have. The only thing is, so like I have a higher outputted battery with that, 6.0. If you use the 2 points, your battery is gonna be donesy pretty quickly. Any kind of tire, dolly tires, trailer tires, lawnmower tires, regular tires, it can do. I know there's that M18 one. This one just is a little bit better because I can hide it and it's compact. The size is great. I can just kind of shove it underneath, my my vehicle's door. So, show you. The size is great. So. Doesn't take any room whatsoever. Basically gone. People can't see it. It's great. That's my review on the Milwaukee Compact Inflator. If you guys have any questions or concerns or any other comments, leave them down in the comment below. And yeah, make sure you guys like, thumb, and subscribe, and we will do another review soon. See you guys in the next video. It's your boy's day off and he's wearing Crocs.